Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some simple hairstyles for you guys to try out this summer. I feel like summer is the perfect time to experiment with hairstyles. You know, try a lot of updos, a lot of fancy braids and everything. Anything that can help keep your hair away from your face and also look stylish at the same time. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys some hairstyles. Some of them are very easy to do on your everyday life. And before I get started with it, I also want to say that my channel has turned 2. So on March 3rd is my 2nd year anniversary for my YouTube channel. So yay! We have turned 2 years old. I am so happy and thankful. Thank you so much. We have grown so much over the last 2 years. We are almost going to be at 15K. That is so awesome. I think I will do like a 2-year anniversary / 15K giveaway separately. So please stay tuned for that. So anyway, I just really wanted to thank you guys. Thank you so much for being my constant supporter. You guys, your comments, your likes, you subscribing to my channel, everything means so much to me and I'm so thankful to you guys. So thank you so much. And coming back to the topic of this video, I really hope you guys enjoy these hairstyles, and without any further ado, let's get started.
Starting with hairstyle number 1, this is actually pretty simple. All you need is a hairbrush, a cute little bow and a hair tie. So here I'm just brushing out my hair and just taking out just a regular parting, so whichever way you like, middle parting, side parting, whatever it is. Now I'm just going to leave a few of the front sections to frame my face, and I'm just going to do a simple half updo. So this is pretty simple, and I'm just going to take my comb and brush out my hair and just even it out, and then I'm just going to tie my hair, like I said, a super simple half updo. So this is where it gets cute and Instagram worthy. I'm just going to add a nice little bow right here, and I actually took a picture. It's on my Instagram, so you guys can go and check it out. But yeah, I just think that adding a nice simple little bow makes the hairstyle super cute and definitely Insta worthy. So this is hairstyle number 2, and all you need for this is hair and a nice little silk scarf like this. So here I'm folding the scarf into a nice triangle, and then I'm trying to make it as small as possible. Now put all your hair to the back, put the scarf on your neck and all the hair over it, and then just take it up like a headband, and then just tie a nice little knot, and then push the knot off to the side and take out your bangs or your front framing sections, whatever it is, and that's it. I feel like adding a nice little colorful element like this will really elevate your outfit. So this is a hairstyle number 3. Again, I am taking out the front framing sections and I'm doing a simple side ponytail, that's what it's called. So I'm just doing a simple low side ponytail. I'm taking the same scarf and I'm just tying a knot around the rubber band area, and you can just leave it as it is. But because my hair is not as long, I'm just going to tie another knot so that the scarf can become just a little bit shorter, more fit for my height, and voila, as simple as that. Look how cute this makes a simple side ponytail. I love this one. So hairstyle number 4, I'm going to be showing you guys from the back over here. So brush your hair out nice and well. So take the top section from one side of the hair, and all you're going to do is just twist right till the end, and then bring that entire section across your head and bobby pin it securely. I hope you guys can see and understand what I'm trying to do here. So now I'm going to repeat the same thing from the opposite side, and then just keep alternating between left and right until you get the amount of knots that you want. I opted for 4, and this is how the hairstyle looks. I think it just looks super interesting from the back, and even from the front your hair will look super cute, and it's just a super interesting hairstyle, I would say. Very fancy but super simple to do, so A+. So this is our hairstyle number 5. This is the last and final hairstyle. All you need is a comb and few bobby pins. So I'm taking a nice deep defined partition. Then I'm going to take the topmost layer and again twist. You can also choose to braid, but braiding is just kind of difficult. So yeah, I'm just choosing to twist it. Now I'm going to take the second layer and do the same thing, and I'm going to do 3 layers like this, and that's it guys. It is as simple as that. I just feel like this hairstyle looks super cool. It just kind of gives you that illusion of like a half shaved head hairstyle. I don't know, a lot of celebrities do that and I just find it so cool. Obviously I'm not going to shave my head, so this one is as close to it as it gets. I just think it's super cool and yeah, I just really like it. Super cool hairstyle.
So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy these hairstyles. Some of them could be slightly complicated for like everyday life, but most of them are super easy and I'm sure you can definitely incorporate them in your everyday life. So I really hope you guys experiment with these hairstyles. Please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite hairstyle, and I would love to know your guys' feedback. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it. Also, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed already. I know that a lot of you guys who watch my videos don't subscribe, so if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video, which is Tuesday and Friday. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!